The Indian Penal Code. The Indian Penal Code is the primary criminal code in India, enacted in 1860. To crack down on judicial exam, it is important to have a good understanding of the following topics related to the Indian Penal Code. Definition of offences. The IPC defines a wide range of criminal offences, including offences against the state, offences against the human body, offences against property, and offences relating to currency and the economy. Essential ingredients of offences. The IPC sets out the essential ingredients of each type of offence, including the actus reus, the physical act, and the means reo, the mental element of the offence. Punishment for offences. The IPC provides for the punishment for each type of offence, including the imprisonment, fine, and other forms of punishment. General exceptions. The IPC provides for general exceptions, including the circumstances under which a person may be excused from criminal liability, such as self-defense, consent, and mistake of fact. Abetment of offences. The IPC sets out the provisions related to abetment of offences, including the acts of instigation, encouragement, or assistance in the commission of an offence. Criminal conspiracy. The IPC provides for the offence of criminal conspiracy, including the acts of agreement, planning, and execution of criminal effect. Extradition on Interpol. The IPC provides for the provisions related to extradition and Interpol, including the circumstances under which a person may be extradited to another country and the procedures for international cooperation in criminal matters. It is important to study the relevant provisions of the Indian Penal Code, cases interpreting the IPC, and legal concepts relating to criminal law in order to be well prepared for a judicial exam. Additionally, practicing past exams and answering sample questions can help you to develop your legal reasoning and test taking skills.